What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you with some better quality with no microphone, which your girl will be getting very soon. And I needed a wash day because my hair is dry, even though it's defined. I just took it out of its twist that I had in for like over a week. And yeah, but I want to show you guys something. I am doing a mask really quick on my hair, kind of like a protein treatment mask that I put together, homemade. It looks brown. Well, it smells like you can eat it. It smells pretty good. I just want you guys to kind of see the process. If it goes well, I recorded it. You guys get to see it. If it goes bad, I don't know if I'll still show you guys, but yeah, so let me just get started. That's what it looks like up close. It kind of looks like caramel, like syrup. Whipped coffee. This is what my hair looks like once I've applied it. I have about 6 twists. Yeah, my scalp loves it. Like, it just felt good to rub on my scalp. And so far, so good. Whew, I'm done with my shower, like 40 minutes later, and I just wanted to show you guys my hair after the shower. And I mean, I don't know if y'all can see, but this shit looks like happy. Like, this is my hair doing its happy dance right now. Do you see how defined they are? So defined. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn around for you guys. Hopefully. Ooh, there goes that. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. that's what my hair looks like. So that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'm gonna put the ingredients down below so y'all know what I put in this mask. I think it was like a three ingredient mask, literally 3 ingredients. So yep, later.